Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Instagram Reels keep lagging, freezing, or playing in slow, choppy motion, don't worry. Today, I'm showing you a super quick fix that takes less than a minute and works instantly. No extra apps, no complicated tricks, just two simple settings inside Instagram. So stay with me till the end, because this tiny tweak can make your Reels playback buttery smooth. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Instagram app. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, hit the three-line menu at the top right. This is where most of Instagram's hidden settings live, including the ones that affect your Reels performance. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Media Quality. This is a section that controls how Instagram loads and displays videos in your feed, including Reels. Now, you only need to adjust two simple toggles. Step 1, turn on, use mobile data. This might sound strange, but enabling it forces Instagram to load videos faster and more consistently, even if you're on Wi-Fi. It removes the unnecessary limitation that slows down your Reels. Step 2, turn off display HDR media. HDR looks great, but it demands more processing power from your phone. If your device struggles, Instagram Reels start lagging or stuttering. Disabling HDR makes the video playback smoother and more stable immediately. And that's literally it. With those two quick changes, your Instagram Reels should now play without lag, without buffering, and without those annoying stutters that ruin the experience. This fix works especially well on older phones, mid-range devices, or anytime Instagram pushes out an update that messes with performance. So that's the fastest and simplest fix to stop Instagram Reels from lagging. If this worked for you, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick tech tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.